Identify the goal of the question. The objective is to determine which change will shift the equilibrium to the left to increase the amount of BAO2, the reactant, in the vessel. According to Le Chatelier's principle, a system at equilibrium will shift to counteract any applied stress. Examine the state of matter of the substances. BAO2 and BAO are pure solids. O2 is a gas. Because pure solids do not change their concentration/density and have an activity of 1, they do not appear in the equilibrium constant expression. The equilibrium constant expression for this reaction is simply Kp equals PO2. Analyze the thermodynamic parameter delta H degrees. The enthalpy change of the reaction is delta H degrees equals plus 162 kilojoules per mole of reaction. Because delta H degrees is positive, the forward reaction is endothermic. It absorbs heat. We can conceptually treat heat as a reactant on the left side of the equation. Heat plus 2 BAO2 is an equilibrium, with 2 BAO plus O2 determine the effective temperature on the equilibrium. According to Le Chatelier's principle, lowering the temperature is equivalent to removing heat from the system. To counteract this stress and regenerate the lost heat, the system shifts in the exothermic direction to the left toward the reactants. Conclude which option is correct. The shift to the left consumes the products and produces more of the solid reactant BAO2. Thus, lowering the temperature increases the amount of BAO2 present, making option D the correct choice. The correct answer is option D, lowering the temperature.